what's up? I'm Ara and welcome back to my channel. So I hope you guys are doing okay and you had a great Diwali with your family and friends. So firstly, wishing you all a very happy Diwali from my side, and also I'm from Bihar, so a very happy Chhath Puja to you all. And yeah, so this video is very special. This is the first giveaway that I am hosting, and I thought what would have been better than this festive season, to announce this giveaway. I have been announcing this on my Instagram since quite some time now, so if you are connected with me there, you will know about it. But nevertheless, here it is finally, and I'm so excited and so glad to be able to do this. And just the thought of so many of you being connected with me on my platform is just so overwhelming. We are on 7k subscribers, and it is actually 7.4k, but I'm just rounding it off. It is 7k, and it's just the most I could have asked for. But I hope we reach 10k soon, so that will be like a big milestone for me. But yeah, this is a small token of love from my side to you for all the love and all the support you've shown me since the past few months. It has been insane and it has been so overwhelming, I can't even express. Literally, I'm filming this for the third time, I think, because I'm just at a loss of words and I'm just losing track. But yeah, this is really special for me, and I want to make it special for you as well. Firstly, I'm so glad that I was able to partner with the Pirates Publishers for this giveaway, and this is in association with them. So a huge shout out to the Pirates Publishers. It is an amazing publishing house with some super amazing collection of books, so do check them out. Now, as per the giveaway, I promised you that I'll make sure most of you are benefited from this. So this time there are not one, not two, not three, but 20 winners. So it just increases your chance to win, so make sure to participate. And this giveaway will be in 2 rounds. Round 1 will have 10 winners, and then after a few weeks there will be a round 2 again, which will hold 10 winners. So if you are not able to win in the first one, don't get disheartened, because there are going to be several more rounds. So I definitely want you to participate and win. Now, before coming to the participation rules, I'll just give you a brief about the books. So these are all the books. There are 20 in number, so that 20 winners, 2 are in my hand. And the first one is Animal Farm by George Orwell, which is a very popular classic. And the second one is Unpunishable by Sia, which is an erotica basically. And both these books have been reviewed by me on my channel. I'll link it up here so you can go and check them out if you want to know more about the books. And they both are super amazing, and I just love these books, and I'm so glad that I'm able to give them away to you so that even you can read them if you haven't yet. So as I told you, this is the first round of the giveaway, so there are going to be 10 winners. 5 Animal Farm books and 5 Unpunishable books are going to be given to you, and the second round will be announced soon, so make sure to stay in touch. You can follow me on my Instagram or stay in touch on YouTube, so make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you are notified. Now, coming over to the participation rules, they are extremely simple, but before diving in, make sure you have an Instagram account, because the rules are conjoined. You have to follow them both on YouTube and Instagram. Also, the results will be declared on Instagram, and you will be contacted through Instagram only. So make sure you are having an active Instagram account and you are following me there. Coming back to the rules now. So the rule number 1 is that you have to subscribe to my channel and like this video. So this giveaway video, you have to like this and subscribe to my channel. Rule number 2 is that go in the comment section below and answer 2 questions. Number 1, which book do you want to win, Animal Farm or Unpunishable? I know both of them are super amazing, but you have to choose one. So tell me which book you want to win, and secondly, why do you deserve to win? So these are the 2 questions. You have to just go in the comment section and answer them. For the rest of the rules, you have to head over to my Instagram, follow me there and like the giveaway post. So the giveaway post will look something like this, so you have to like that and make sure to follow me there. Also, the next thing you have to do is that you have to post the same comment that you did on YouTube on Instagram. So again, you have to answer both the questions, that which book you want to win and why do you deserve to win. So these are the 2 questions that you have to answer on both the platforms, YouTube and Instagram. Make sure your comment is the same on both these platforms, so it is easy for me to recognize that and select. And for the last rule, on Instagram itself, you have to tag 3 friends in a separate comment whom you think will be interested in this giveaway and would love to participate. So in a separate comment, just tag 3 friends. You are open to tag more, but at least they should be 3. So yeah, that is it. These are the only rules. Subscribe to my channel, like that giveaway video, follow me on my Instagram and like the giveaway post, and comment the same thing on YouTube and Instagram, that which book do you want to win and why do you deserve to win. Also on Instagram, an additional comment will be there tagging 3 of your friends who are whom you think will be interested to participate in this giveaway. So that is it for all the rules. So yeah, just go and participate, and you never know, you can win one of these beauties here. Honestly, I don't want to part with them, but I'm happy that I'll be sending them to you and you'll be reading them. So I'm just excited about that part. So yeah, just go and participate, and I wish you all the luck and I hope you win. Also, if you don't, and if you are unfortunately your name doesn't come up, there is always a second chance, and literally in this case there is a next round, so you can again participate in that, which will be announced in a few weeks. So make sure to stay in touch for that. You can follow me on my Instagram. Of course, it is also a rule. I'm feeling so bad about it, but this is it. This is just for you, so that you don't miss out on the announcements and stuff. So go and follow me there. I'll see you very soon with a new video, and till then, wishing you all the luck.